Now that our mouse has a scarf, we can make it a little storybook. So because our mice are very sleepy, they're already tucked into their little Matchbox beds, they will need a bedtime story. So what you'll need for this is a piece of A4 paper, so just regular printer paper, and a pair of scissors. And later you will need some coloring pencils. I've got a few of my favorite colors here, maybe a pen or pencil to write your story. So what you're going to do is just take your A4 paper, turn it this way so you can see the whole paper in the screen. A4 paper, and what I want you to do first is fold it lengthwise all the way up to the top edge. So take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top, and use your thumbs to fold it. And we're going to unfold it and turn it, and then we'll take again the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. So it's nice and straight, and then use your thumbs again to fold it. Unfold it again, and then take the bottom edge, and this time we're only going to fold it up to the middle crease. So you can see where it's been folded, so fold it up to there. And we're going to do that side, unfold it. You can already start to see how big our pages will be. So there's lots of space for you to write a little story, draw a few pictures, and we're going to fold it one more time, just like that. So we should have, when we fold it out, 8 sections of the book. I'm going to fold it in half again, and then just place your paper so you've got the folded side, the folded edge towards you, just like this, and then grab your scissors, and I'm just going to cut through until I reach the first crease there. So just to there, not any further, just there. So when you fold it out, you've got a piece of paper with a little line through there. What I want you to do is fold it lengthwise. If you're holding the last 2 pages here, you could squish that to the middle till you start to see 4 sections, and then just fold it over on itself. And then your pages might need another little press, just like that. And then what you have is a little storybook. So you could start with the cover, and then you've got a few pages inside here to maybe write a little story. So maybe think about some of the fairy tales that you've read before, maybe some of your own books, or maybe you want to write a story about an adventure that your mouse goes on and make a book about them. It's totally up to you, but that's a fun little extra project you could make for your mouse.